5 Best Ways to Naturally Whiten Yellow Teeth at Home. We all dream of having the perfect looking teeth. You can see on the red carpet and all over magazine covers. However, not everyone can afford to go to the dentist to have our teeth professionally whitened. And that's okay. We can save your hard-earned cash because we have collected 5 ways to naturally whiten your teeth without destroying your enamel or your bank account. Before we get onto the home remedies, you should know that all of these methods must not be used at the same time. Pick and stick to it. Number 1. Strawberry. Pretty much everybody knows that strawberries are super delicious and healthy. But did you know that they are great for lightening your teeth as well? That's because they are acidic, which is great for teeth whitening. The easiest way to make use of it is to take a ripe strawberry and then mash it up with a spoon. Brush your teeth with this paste for a few minutes to get rid of yellow stains. You can do this once a week. Number 2. Powder milk and toothpaste. Dairy products, especially milk, significantly improve the health of your teeth. That's because milk contains both calcium and phosphorus, which promote the remineralization of tooth enamel. You can either put more dairy products in your diet or simply use powder milk to brush your teeth. Combine it with your toothpaste for an even better effect. Just put some toothpaste on your toothbrush. Add a bit of powdered milk on top and brush your teeth. Do this 1 to 2 times a week to get your teeth pearly white and strong. Number 3. Lemon juice and water. Mixture of equal parts lemon juice and water will help restore whiteness to your teeth and completely disinfect your oral cavity. To test this out, mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brush your teeth thoroughly with combined liquids and then rinse it out. After that, brush your teeth again, this time with your regular toothpaste. Do this just once a week. Hey guys, if you find any value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more dental tips in future videos. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar is highly powerful cleansing and disinfecting agent. It removes stains and kills all the bacteria in your mouth. Simply dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use this mouthwash every morning before brushing your teeth. Number 5. Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda does a great job at removing surface stains from your teeth, making them way whiter as a result. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Lemons have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganism living in your mouth. The right way to combine these 2 ingredients would be to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush and then add a few drops of lemon juice over it to achieve a set of bright shiny teeth. Use this whitening method once a week. All that's enough to get the desired effect and keep your enamel healthy at the same time. Now, if you want to see how wheatgrass prevent gum disease, click on the I button at the top. And if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching.